The Catalogue's not a new application, but if you missed out on last year's launch, I'm just going to refresh that. A shortcut has been added to your status bar at the bottom. As I move my pointer, as you can see, if I left click, then I can show or hide the Catalogue. Alternatively, you can activate it from the toolbar and the view, scroll down, and you find the Catalogue as well. Now, the enhancement that's been added to the Catalogue is when it comes to your wall styles. Previously, if you activate the wall command, Caddie will ask you indicate start of wall. But if we read the command line, Caddie will now ask us, or choose E for entity to get geometry from. So in this exercise, just go back to object properties. All the lines that you see in yellow, they are normal lines. And then the lines that you see in green, they are polylines. So we're going to apply it to lines and polylines. So let's just go back to the Catalogue, and I'm going to start off with an external wall. So activate the command, and now I just have to press E for entity and indicate the first line. As you can see in the command line, indicate start of wall or choose E for entity. So I'm going to press E for entity, next wall, E for entity, next wall. I'm going to press escape, and now I'd like to do my internal walls. Let's go to brick 110. Once again, Caddie asks us, indicate start of wall or choose entity. So I'm going to press E for entity, indicate the first one, indicate the second one, by using line or a polyline as a reference to apply a wall style to it. Now you'll notice also that if I select those two walls, previously up to Caddie 27, you could only, if you select the wall, change the justification, because you may notice that when you apply the wall, it's either on the inside or the outside of your polyline or your line. Depends on the direction of the line. So what I'm going to show you now is that you can select more than one wall, and in the object properties, when it comes to your justification, you can now set it to, say, for instance, left. As you can see now, it's on the inside of the polyline or the lines, or I can set it to right, or I can set it to center. So that's also another enhancement added to the settings of your walls.